Hi, I'm Tom Parent for DR Power Equipment. When you clear new areas of your property, you probably planned this part pretty well.
You know, when you take a tree down, it needs to be limbed, cut up, and carted off before you can move on to the next part of your project.
But once that's done, you just may stumble upon a problem you hadn't given much thought to, an ugly stump, right where you had envisioned a new flower garden, an expanded lawn, or a newly opened view. The fact is, many of us just live with stumps, because getting rid of them meant having to choose between back-breaking work or very expensive alternatives.
Until now, that is. After years of refinement here at DR Power Equipment, we've finally gotten to the root of the problem with the all-new DR Stump Grinder. The DR Stump Grinder is fast, easy to use, and the most affordable solution to stump removal you can find. In fact, with typical stump grinder rentals going for around $200 a day and commercial removal services running much, much higher, the DR Stump Grinder can pay for itself in a matter of hours, maybe even on day one. Let's have a go at this 28-inch oak stump so I can show you just what I mean. The first thing you'll notice is how convenient this machine is to transport. That's because it's mounted on big, knobby, high-flotation tires that will go just about anywhere. Once you have the machine in place, operating it couldn't be easier. Lock one wheel with the handbrake, engage the cutter head, and move the machine back and forth using the fixed wheel as a pivot point. This movement works the cutter head back and forth across the stump's surface. The cutter head is the business end of this machine, so let's take a closer look. The 10.5-inch diameter head is armed with 8 replaceable cutting teeth, tipped with mining-grade tungsten carbide, the same material used for drilling through bedrock. The teeth are mounted in pairs, and each tooth locks into one of 3 grinding positions. When the surface gets dulled in one position, you simply rotate the tooth to the next position, and you've got a new sharp edge to work with. When all 3 edges are worn, replacing the whole tooth is quick and easy. As the clutch is engaged, the head builds to a speed of over 2,700 RPM, generating tremendous rotational inertia. Making over 360 bites per second, the teeth shave away the surface of the stump, taking about an inch or so with every pass. As you can see, the work moves along at a good pace. This stump was reduced to wood chips in just 40 minutes.
And after cleaning up, you can get on with the finishing touches. The DR Stump Grinder really is the easiest, fastest, and most affordable solution to stump removal. It will take on stumps of any size, no matter how hard, and your property will look better than ever.
The DR Stump Grinder is available in 2 models, the 6-horsepower Premier in manual start and the 9-horsepower Pro, available in manual or electric start. Each are equipped with world-class Subaru engines that are among the first to use automotive-style overhead cam technology. Subaru warranties the 9-horsepower engine for a full 5 years in both commercial and residential use, while the 6-horsepower engine carries a 1-year warranty for commercial applications and a 3-year warranty for residential use. Both models feature rugged steel construction, but are lightweight enough for anyone to maneuver. The 6-horsepower is just 129 pounds, and the 9-horsepower is 143 pounds. A unique flip-up belt cover protects the belt and pulleys, but flips out of the way for easy access. And a self-adjusting belt tensioner eliminates the need for operator adjustment. The life of the cutting teeth will vary with conditions, but typically after 45 to 60 hours of stump grinding, a fresh set should be installed.
The DR Stump Grinder has been worth every penny. We had over 400 stumps that we had to grind. We got the whole thing done in about 10 days. Compared to anything else that I've seen on the market, this is so much lighter, so much more maneuverable, so much more easy to use, and those teeth will eat through anything. It's so fast. This is the best I've found, and now that I've used it, I can vouch for it. It's really worth it.
And as with all DR Power Equipment, your satisfaction is guaranteed with our 6-month hands-on trial.
Try it on your own property for 6 months. If you're not completely satisfied, you can return the machine for a full refund, less shipping and handling. So give us a call at 1-877-639-9917 or visit us online at drpower.com/stumpgrinder.
Thanks for watching. I hope to hear from you soon.
DR is professional power done right.